Dear students, I welcome you all to this English class. Today we will learn something new. In this chapter, A Letter to J.R.D. Tata, we will learn how to write an article in Learn to Write section. What is an article writing? An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience. The main motive behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspapers or magazines or journals so as to make some difference to the world. Now let's see the format of article writing. An article must be organized in a proper way so as to draw the attention of the readers. The basic outline for an article writing format is: first, headline or title. Second, a line having the writer's name. Third, body, the main part of the article. Fourth, conclusion, ending paragraph of the article with the opinion or recommendation, anticipation or an appeal. Now let's see the ingredient of writing an article. First, you will write the title of the article. Then you will write writer's name. Suppose you are writing, so you will write by so and so. Then will come to body of the article. That is the main part of the article. In this you will write introductive paragraph and descriptive paragraph. If some additional information is needed, you will write it. Then comes conclusion. That is the ending part of the article. Now let's see some do's and don'ts of article writing. Do's: add the writer's name. Second, the heading of the article should be short, clear and informative. Target the audience. Then comes the language and the style of writing should be according to the concerning readers. Please use proper punctuations. Now let's see the don'ts of article writing. Write very lengthy articles. The title should be lengthy and clear. Only the introduction and the conclusion should be attractive and attention seeker. One can advise, suggest and give the solutions to a problem in any paragraph other than the starting one. There must be only 3 paragraphs in an article: introduction, middle one and conclusion. Use any tense, person, voice, as many abbreviations and self-made words while writing an articles. So children, these are the do's and don'ts of article writing. Learn to write. Children, in this section you have to write an article. So let's read out what we have to do. Imagine you are Sudha Murthy and have thus joined Telco. You have just met JRD for the first time in Mr. Mulgaokar's office. Later that week, you are asked to contribute an article to Telco's monthly magazine. You decide to write about your meeting with this great man. So children, you have to write an account of your meeting with JRD. The questions below will help you get started. Fill in the details using your imagination. So children, there are few questions given which will help you to write your article. First question is, when did this happen? Second, what were you doing for the company? Third, why did Mr. Mulgaonkar call you to the office? Where was JRD in the room? What was he doing? What were you feeling at first? How did your feelings change and why? So children, you have to answer this question to compose an article. And children, we have to take care that you are writing the heading and writer's name. This is very, very important. Okay. Thank you and happy learning.